African wild dog. Wildebeest.
The dogs work in relay. As one tires, another moves through to take up the running. Fleeing for its life, the wildebeest has a few tricks of its own. First, it tries to create confusion by running into a group of zebra.
Don't chase by running into a group of zebra. A pack of wild dogs.
Then joins forces with other wildebeest to make a break for the main herd. Most of the dogs break off to find an easier victim.
Easy.
But one dog appears to have forgotten the basic pack rule. Stick together. Suddenly, he hears the pack and switches direction to rejoin them. And now, there is no escape from the power of the pack.
That painted dogs are painted dog. Wildebeest. Don't chase. Don't chase. Don't kill me. Please attack.
Un gnou fera l'affaire. C'est une proie parfaite.
Don't chase. Alright,
La tactique
don't
des licaons
chase.
est de faire courir le gnou pour le fatiguer.
Don't chase. Don't chase. Alright, don't chase. Oh no! Don't. Ah! He's in the end! Ah! Oh, he's fine. He's killed.
This pack of wild dogs
Crocodile. Buffalo.
One dog. Fighting.
Lion. Feed the African wild dog. Don't kill him, Paula.
A pack of painted wild dogs spot a few wildebeest and give chase. If there is one predator group that has managed to stack the deck, it is the painted dogs. It practically never fails to capture the ideal prey, which is on the menu this time. The wild dog strategy is to make the wildebeest run in order to exhaust them. As long as the wildebeest is on the run, predators have the upper hand. But wild dogs have endurance. Hunters and prey exceed 50 kilometers per hour. The pack can maintain this speed for a few kilometers. The wildebeest are not as resistant.
कल के बाद छुट्टी है आज।
Wildebeest?
Wildebeest versus wild dogs. Attack.
African wild dogs are among the most effective.
He tried to chase wildebeest.
Various hunting methods.
Oh no! Mongoose tried a rabbit.
Wild dogs versus.
Oh no!
वेलकम बैक दोस्तों। जंगली कुत्ते को काफी बेरहम शिकारी माना जाता है क्योंकि जंगल में छोटे और बड़े दोनों शिकार करते हैं और अपने से 2 गुना बड़े शेर और हाइना से भी पंगा लेने से नहीं डरते हैं। दोस्तों अगर वाइल्ड डॉग का मुकाबला पिटबुल जैसे डेंजरस डॉग से हो जाए तो कौन विन करेगा? दोस्तों अगर बात करें वेट की तो एक वाइल्ड डॉग का वेट 22 केजी तक होता है दोस्तों, वहीं पिटबुल का वेट 18 से 27 केजी तक होता है दोस्तों। एक वाइल्ड डॉग की शोल्डर